Hi there, my name is Dr. Bruce Lambert, and I'm a chiropractor in Credit Mississauga. And today I'm going to explain how and why I adjust children. And the biggest question that I'm asked is, why do you adjust kids? And every single human being's body is under stress, whether it's physical stress, mental stress, or chemical stress. But what can happen to anybody at any age is the spine actually gets stressed and gets misaligned. And chiropractors call that a subluxation, which is a term that encompasses the fact that the mechanics are thrown off, the joints are healing incorrectly, the nervous system is put under stress, the muscles are affected, and we get inflammation that result. So how does that translate into a human being, let alone a child? How does that manifest in their body? If we have stress on the nervous system, the brain simply cannot talk to the body. And if it can't talk to the body, it can't repair and basically reset the body. It can't take control of it. It can't maximize optimal function. So when we're working with kids, kids have young spines that can get injured as well, and if they don't get addressed, those injuries heal wrong, and as that person grows up, that joint is weak and potential for degeneration sets in. So I've got a lovely assistant that I'm going to bring in. Come on over here. This is an 8-year-old little girl who has volunteered to allow me to videotape her, and we're going to get you laying on your stomach, please. So the first thing I'm doing is I have her lay down on the table, and I'm checking light lines, which allows us to look at some particular indicators in through the body. And with this particular table, it's a drop table, or it's a Thompson type table. And what it does is it allows us to use the person's own body weight and gravity to help create the energy needed to move the joints back into position and take stress off the nerves. So what we're looking at here is a young lady who is very active and on occasion needs to get adjusted. And today we're going to start down here. So the table makes a lot of noise, but it's actually very, very gentle. In fact, some of my oldest patients are around 100 years of age, and this technique is very, very gentle for them, very gentle for big football players, as well as little kids. Turn your head to the right. Well, that's the left, but that's okay. Turn your head the other way. Okay, just hold that there. Straighten up. Turn your head to the left. Curve it, good girl. Turn your head to the right. And straighten up. All right. You can sit on up for me. So that is an adjustment for a little girl. Now, how did that feel?
Good.
Was it really loud? Was it scary? No. And you feel good? Awesome. Thank you very much. And thank you for tuning in. Look for any more Q&A answers to a lot of questions that are out there. So thank you very much. Have yourself an awesome day. Bye-bye.